Yes, this is chapter 3 function of class 11 continued. Ninth number question. F is equal to set of ordered pair such that xy belongs to n and y is equal to 2x plus 1 is a relation on n. Find domain range. A is given, B is given, write A, B, put the value of the member 1, 2, 3, 4 in A, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11 in B. Now since y is equal to 2x plus 1, you already know that y is called fx. So fx is equal to 2x plus 1. So putting 1, 2, 3, 4, since x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, we are getting the values. If x is equal to 1, then f1 is equal to 3. 1 goes to 1 when reaches set B, it becomes f1, 2 becomes f2, 3 becomes f3, 4 becomes f4. And the values of f1, f2, f3, f4 are available 3, 5, 7, 9. 11 is a image without pre-image, no problem. Now the domain is 1, 2, 3, 4 used element of first set. Range is the used element of second set. So I have written this. Now the function is 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9. 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9. Second example. F is equal to if f is equal to this is a linear function. This is very important problem. Linear function from z to z. Z is integer. Find the formula for fx. Now this is called linear expression. Ax plus b is called linear. You know that ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is cubic, and the linear is ax plus b. Now f minus 1, if minus 1 it becomes f minus 1, 0 becomes f0. Now putting x is equal to minus 1 in this formula, 1a into minus 1 plus b. F minus 1 is already given minus 3, since minus 1 is going to 3, so f minus 1 is minus 3. Now minus 3 is equal to f plus b, first equation. Again 0 it becomes f0, and f0 is equal to 0 goes to minus 1, 0 goes to minus 1, so f0 is equal to minus 1. Putting f0 is equal to minus 1, so we are getting two equations. Solving the two equations to get a and b, and finally putting the value of a and b in x plus b, we get this is the formula. One more example where this is one more example, same question. F is 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9. 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 7, 4 goes to 9. And this f1 becomes f1, 2 becomes f2, 3 becomes f3, 4 becomes f4. Now this is again linear function. Linear function is x plus b. You need a and b, so two equations are required to find the value of a and b. Select 1 and 2 from the top. Now putting the value x is equal to 1 in fx is equal to x plus b. f1 becomes a plus b. Put the value of f1 is equal to 3, so 3 is equal to a plus b. Since f1 is 3 already, यहाँ पर 1 goes to 3 and 1 is f1, 2 is f2, 3 is f3, 4 is f4. Now putting x is equal to 2 in this, the f2 is equal to this, but f2 is equal to 5. So the two equations are solved to get a and b, and putting the value of a and b in x plus b, we get the answer. This is the answer. Now 12 number, very easy question, short question. Fx is equal to x square, gx is equal to this, and f is a function from real number to real number, g is also a function from real to real. Find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f into g of x, and f by g of x. Now f plus g of x, distribute x, fx plus gx, fx plus gx, x is distributed on f and g both. Put the value of both and get the answer. Then f minus gx, distribute x on f and g, fx minus gx, put the value of fx and gx and get the answer. Gx, you have to subtract gx, and gx is equal to here 3x plus 2, so subtract minus 3 minus 2 here, minus 3 minus 2. Now f dot gx, distribute x on f and g, fx dot gx, put the value of fx and gx, this is the answer. Now f by g of x, distribute x on numerator and denominator, fx by gx, put the value of fx and gx, and provided the denominator is not 0, so you can mention x is not equal to minus 2 by 3. Type of function. Now functions are of different kind. Real function from R to R. You already know fx is called y and y is also called fx, same thing. This is read as y is a function of x or y depends on x. Now first function is identity function. Let f is a function from R to R and fx is equal to x for all x member of R. You know fx is equal to y. So fx is equal to x given, but fx is equal to y, so y is equal to x. So you know how to draw the table from class 10 or 9. Y and x both are same, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, whatever you like you can take. Display the point on the graph paper, and this line is a line of identity function. So this is identity function known to you. Now what is the function? 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. You can take all other. 0 goes to 0, minus 1 goes to minus 1. Because x and y both are same. By arrow diagram you can display the same. Minus 1 goes to minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. 7 by 10, 7 by 10, root 3, root 3. Since x is equal to y, so you can take constant function. F is a function from real number to real number, R to R, fx is equal to c. Now fx is equal to c, this is called constant function. Let c is equal to 4, and you know fx is called y, so you have to draw the graph of y is equal to 4. Now y is 4 always, y is 4 always for any x, for all x. Let the x's are taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any x you can take, root 3, 7 by 2, whatever you like, but y is always 4. It has been extended. This has been extended, no problem. You may not take this. Now the function is 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Some members are given 4, 4. If you are taking root 3, 4, root 3, 4, and this point can be displayed on the graph paper. Y is always 4. 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. So this is the parallel line. Now if you display with the help of arrow diagram, then all the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will go to 4. This is called constant function. Polynomial function you are knowing from class 9 and 10. So polynomial function, this mid-term split, and we get the alpha and beta 2 and minus 3. This is the ready-made table for quadratic polynomial, fast table. So alpha beta 0, 0, 0 c, put in this alpha 2 beta minus 3 0, 0 already written, again 0 already written, c is minus 6. Now display these points on the graph paper. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 6, and upward parabola you know from class 10, no hard. This is the graph of polynomial function. Now rational function. Rational function is this. Real number minus 0. Minus 0 because x is not 0. Division by denominator, x 0 is not permitted. So I have subtracted 0 from this. So r minus 0 goes to r. Now the graph will be like this. Have a patience and put the value x is equal to 0. Then 1 by 0 is called infinity. Remember it. 1 divided by 0 is always infinity because division by 0 is not allowed. If x is equal to 1, y is also 1, 1 by 1. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2.5. And if x is equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by 0 infinity, 1 by infinity 0, remember it. Likewise, if x is equal to minus 1, 1 by minus 1 minus 1. If x is equal to minus 2, 1 by minus 2 is equal to 0.5. Now this is the table. Follow the 2.1, 1, 2.5. This is 1, 1 and 2.5. The 2 points have been displayed, and two infinities are also there. X infinity, y infinity. Just x y infinity ऊपर move करेगा, x infinity नीचे move करेगा. So join these 2 points. Only 2 points have been taken in consideration, and move infinity infinity. X y infinity and sometimes x infinity. So y infinity will move towards this side, x infinity will move towards this type. And in case of negative number, the graph will be the image of this in this origin. Suppose origin is the mirror, the image of this. This graph is a high order thinking graph. In higher mathematics or in competitive examination, this graph will be helpful to you. Now absolute function. Absolute function is the modulus of x. You know that if x is equal to 0, y is equal to modulus of 0 is 0, modulus of 1 is 1, modulus of 2 is 2, modulus of minus 1 is also 1, modulus of minus 2 is also 2. Now the table will be x 0 0, 1 1, 2 2, minus 1 1, minus 2 2. So display these points and join this. The graph is of V type. All the absolute functions graph are of V type weight. Now next function is signum function. F is a function from real number to real number, and fx is equal to 1 if x is more than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, and minus 1 if x is less than 0. Now just see first case. If y is equal to 1, fx is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1. Note it. Fx is equal to 1. It means y is equal to 1 for x more than 0. X is more than 0. Now more than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you can take, but y will be 1 always. So this graph will appear. This. At 0, 0. 0, 0 is darkened. So this 0 has been darkened, and as soon as you will take x0, y will be 0 चूँकि fy is equal to 0. So now 1 1 1 1 2 2, and the graph will move like this up to infinite. Similarly for the last case minus 1. Yes. So this is called signum function. It will be taught to you in higher mathematics. Now the greatest integer function, this is very interesting. The symbol is in big bracket x. Greatest integer function means either x. X means either x if x is an integer. जैसे 2 तो 2 ही रह जाएगा. 2 is an integer, so 2 itself. Or integer just left 2x. 2.1 है तो इसके लेफ्ट में 2 आता है तो 2 आ गया. तो either x or integer left 2x. There are two statements to be followed. 3 तो exactly 3. In case of 3.15 move towards left, just left. 3.15 के left में 3 है, so 3 is the answer. Greatest integer 4 is 4. Greatest integer 4.5 is 4, since the left to 4.5 is 4. Similarly, negative greatest integer of minus 3, exactly minus 3. But in case of negative, greatest integer of integer is integer itself. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, no harm. But in case of decimal, move towards left, just left. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3.1, move towards left, you get minus 4, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7.45, move towards left, minus 8. This is greatest integer minus 10, minus 10, minus 10.5, move towards left, minus 11. So in this way we can learn greatest integer function. Now just look here, 0.5, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. If we are moving left to all the three, we get minus 1. So minus 1 will be the answer for all. Likewise 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, the left integer is 0, so all are 0 itself. Again, greatest integer minus 1.5, move left, minus 2 is the answer. Minus 1.6, move towards left, minus 2 is the answer. Minus 1.5, move towards left, 1 is the answer. Minus 1.6, move towards left, 1 is the answer. So this is the display on number line. If required, you can display. Minus 3.56, move towards left, point minus 4 is the answer. Integer just left to this. Likewise 3.56, move towards left, this is 3. D, 12.5 with negative sign, 12.5 move towards left, minus 13, 12.5 move towards left, 12 is the answer. So now the greatest integer function is fully known to you. So this is the definition: f from R to R such that fx is equal to greatest integer function x, where x is called the greatest integer. So here fx is y, so y is equal to x, greatest integer. Now if x is equal to 0, y is greatest integer 0, 0, 0.5 again 0, 0.9 again 0, 1, 1, 1.5 move left 1, 1.9, y is 1.9 ka 1. Likewise for 2, 2.5. Now all are known to you.